Hi everybody, this is Ben Rodriguez from ITS Academic Computing, and in this episode I'm going to be discussing how to configure Java and how to configure the Google Chrome web browser so that in Angel we can use the tools that require Java in order to work. Some examples of the tools in Angel that will require Java are the equation editor and the live chat features. So what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to go into the equation editor and I'm going to try to write an equation, and I'm just going to show you the type of error that pops up when Java and the browser aren't configured properly. Okay, so we're going to go into, oh, by the way, I'm in an assessment right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a question to the assessment, and within the add question module, that's where we're going to see the HTML editor that contains the equation editor. So I'm going to click on add question, I'll click on multiple choice, and I'll click on HTML editor to invoke it. And if I want to get rid of the HTML editor, what I can do is click on this triangle. That hides it. Clicking on the triangle again brings it back, and just to reiterate, the HTML editor is something that you can do to style text on a web page or on a question in Angel. You can use it to add pictures and hyperlinks and such. But in this case, we're going to use the equation editor that requires the use of Java. So I'm going to click on the equation symbol, and we'll see this error pops up. Java needs your permission to run. And also take note in Google Chrome of this red X that appears, and we'll get to that later. But right now I'm just going to click cancel. Now I'm going to go to the control panel. I clicked on the start button, and I'm going to go to control panel. The control panel opens, and by the way, this is Windows. I do plan to make a video at a later time that shows how to do this on the Mac. So right here in the control panel is Java. I'm going to click on the Java applet to open up its security settings. Now that I'm in the Java control panel, I'm going to click on the security tab, and I'm going to have to add Angel into Java's exception list. That means that we're telling Java to allow its use in Angel. So I'm going to click on the Edit Site List button. I'm going to click on Add, and I'll click in this text field that's right next to the red exclamation point, and I'm going to press Control V. I had actually copied the Angel URL earlier to make it available for its use right now. And now that it's added in, I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to click OK again to exit out of the Java control panel. I'm going to click on the red X to exit out of the control panel, period. And then now I'm back in Angel, and I'm going to try the equation editor again. Oh, I still got the same message. And I'm going to cancel out of this, and now I have to tell Chrome to allow Java for this particular website as well. So I'm going to click on the red X, and I'm going to select Always Allow Plugin on yu.elearning.yu.edu. That's Angel's web address. And I'll click Done. Now I should be able to use it. So I'll click on the equation editor again. It's loading. Looks like it's going to work. Here we go. Please pardon the appearance. All these black squares are here because my video card is being overtaxed by the video capture software. So I'm just going to click on this button right here, and I'm going to look for an equation to set up. I'll just type in some characters. That's probably completely wrong, but you know, mathematically wise. But I'm just going to click OK just to show you how it works, and there it is. The equation's done. Java's working properly in Angel. So I plan to make some more videos. Again, how I mentioned earlier, I plan to do one for the Mac, and I also plan to make one for Internet Explorer. It's a little bit different in configuring Internet Explorer to allow Java to work. So that's it for now, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me by emailing angelsupport@yu.edu. Thanks.